What's up, bag holders? Main account time. Market was down, so we got a flip. Watch the other video. You see, we got one in the bag here. Um, but we actually made some money today on a down day. And just remember this: you do not need the market to go up to make money. That it is total bull. And Ethereum really come through for us today. So let's walk through that trade. Freaking beautiful. From a 30 RSI, walk the dog. And it took a while, right? But very nice. We were able to exit. Looks like we got in on the 12th. And then we exited today. .21% gain. Very nice. And that will take our grand total up to a 72.4% gain since August. So we're doing good. I'm really looking forward to get up over 100. That's when I'll officially have all of my money out of the account, and it will just be purely house money. And then we'll start increasing the position size and run it up. So in other news, we did get a dividend from Metatronic and Realty Income, and we started a little position here on the SPXL. You can see this morning. So nothing sold yet, but we're in profits, and when it hits, we're ready. So no big deal. All right, now while we have this going on, let's go ahead and run through the commodities and start making our way through the other stuff here. I'm still hanging out on silver, trying to buy gold, and now we're trying to buy Ethereum, and we still got Bitcoin holding on. So it didn't spike like Ethereum did, so that's why I like having them both. All right, back to the daily. We'll whip you all around here. Start with the markets. Just looking for 30s, man. You know, and swing trade opportunities, I suppose. These are the swings. These are the days of our lives. We got a little D or Mel. Beans or no beans, let me know. Some people do get worked up about it. I remember the first time I saw a can of no beans, I was like, they make this stuff without beans? When I was growing up, you either ate it or didn't eat. All right, that's it. So we got a new friend in P10 here. And if you're curious why we are taking this one, go watch the public account video. But it come off the screener, and we follow the trading plan to a T, always and forever. Yeah, it's not the most efficient way here, but that's how I track the stuff. And we put the order in, see if we can get filled. Keeping everything very small. We got taxes coming up. Last thing I want to do is spike up the leverage. I do use leverage in my main account, but it's at a manageable degree. So I guess that's kind of an individual statement, but I don't go crazy with it. Because you can lose everything you put in plus some, still owe money. So I'm not trying to do that game. This one we've been stalking on Apple. and it's going to set up really nice. This will be a good one. Crazy valuation, but remember with these swing trades, it's purely technical. They say, well, what's the best investment method? Purely technical, purely fundamental, or some sort of a mixture of both. And then instead of doing multiple strategies for the one trading approach, I just have different segments of money that individually do each approach. So we have flips, swings, selling premium, in order to get my revenge there on the options market, and then just buy and hold. And we do a little bit of the day trade stuff, but it's really with the swing trader investor mentality. It's just on different time frames and provides us some opportunities when there aren't many available. But no matter what the market's doing, one of our strategies is teeing off on them. So you saw for the big picture on the last video, I talked about the sideways movement of the S&P. Leggett is close, man. We're going to get a setup there. I'll be happy to take Leggett and Platt. But what strategy works good in a sideways market? Selling the premium, right? We get paid theta for every day. My premium for Friday is not looking that great. Looking like we're going to have to buy some more stock, but a lot can happen, and we got the damn holiday, so the rhythm of the market's a little thrown off, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Looks like we might have a bunch of them hit. So initially, you would hope that we would hit them on the screener as a flip, and then get back in as a swing trade, right? So we will end up getting both moves instead of just the one in the main account. So I hope that makes sense to y'all. But we want an extreme spike to the bottom. We want the 30 RSI. Gerald Peters calls it the anchor, and I think that's a good analogy because it is a lot like a boat. It's moving targets. It goes in waves. There's a lot of good things about that. So all these ones that almost hit 30, I'll just let them go. And that's the beauty of doing the day trade. Dang, Boeing. Doing the day trade thing on smaller time frames is that you get more opportunity. It's just the returns are smaller, but more frequent. So it scratches my itch. I love this stuff. That's that. Nothing to swing. We're just still kind of waiting out. Maybe some flips start hitting on the screener, and we can go a little crazy. I actually think that the public account will actually be able to buy more different positions. The positions are a little bigger here, but I'm really going to keep that leverage under control until I see exactly what my tax bill or credit is. I don't know. I did some funky stuff with the retirement last year, so should be covered. I have tons of carryover write-offs, but I don't know exactly how some of these tax rules work. So until I know I'm covered, I'll be a little conservative. Of course, we sell out of Verizon, Pfizer, any of the big ones. We'll have physical cash that we can go big again. So patience is key. We're staying the course, doing the thing. We did the statements if you haven't caught that video. So money's moving into the investment account. Everything's going just fine. Dividends are rolling in. We went over that. The crypto thing's hitting. We've got a day trade on. Everything's firing all cylinders. So everything's going good. I hope things are going well for you too. Were you able to sell on a down day? Let me know. Have an awesome day, and we will try again tomorrow. Peace.